Why do 98% of defense analysts consider Lockheed Martin's attack drones a game changer in modern warfare? Enter the realm of precision and power with Lockheed Martin's latest line of attack drones. These aren't just any drones. They are equipped with state-of-the-art targeting systems that ensure pinpoint accuracy from miles away. With stealth capabilities that render them nearly invisible to radar, these drones can infiltrate enemy lines undetected, delivering critical strikes when least expected. The heart of this technology lies in its autonomous navigation systems, capable of making real-time decisions without human intervention. This not only increases mission success rates, but also significantly reduces risk to personnel. Moreover, the integration of AI allows for adaptive response strategies, making these drones not just tools, but true battlefield companions. And it's not just about offense. Lockheed Martin's drones are equipped with advanced surveillance tech, providing crucial data back to command centers, ensuring that every tactical decision is informed and decisive. As we push the boundaries of what's possible in aerial combat, Lockheed Martin's attack drones stand at the forefront, defining the future of warfare. Are you ready to see the battle skies of tomorrow?